Upgrading to a high-performance gas range is one of the fastest ways to elevate your kitchen's daily functionality and boost your home's overall market value. If you want professional-level heat control combined with modern smart home integration, the Samsung 6 cubic foot freestanding gas range is an outstanding high-yield appliance upgrade. Engineered with flexible cooking options, this unit features a powerful 17,000 BTU Speed Burner for rapid boiling, continuous cast iron grates for sliding heavy cookware effortlessly, and integrated SmartThings Wi-Fi control to preheat or monitor your oven directly from your phone. Its spacious 6 cubic foot oven interior accommodates large family meals, complete with a specialized griddle burner attachment and self-cleaning tech to keep your kitchen maintenance completely hassle-free. It provides the ideal balance of culinary precision, modern aesthetic appeal, and long-term durability for home cooks and kitchen remodelers alike. Check out current availability, finish options, and live pricing using the tagged product link on your screen or down in the description box. Investing in a professional-style range is one of the most effective ways to bring commercial-grade performance and high-end aesthetic value into your home kitchen. If you want heavy-duty build quality without paying luxury brand markups, the Cosmo 30-inch stainless steel gas range is a standout performance asset for ambitious home chefs. Constructed with premium food-grade stainless steel and heavy-duty cast iron grates, this range features a 5-burner cooktop anchored by a powerful 18,000 BTU triple-ring burner for rapid searing and boiling. Mechanically, the 3.9 cubic foot oven utilizes a European convection system to distribute heat evenly across multiple racks, eliminating hotspots for consistent baking and roasting. Its industrial knobs, removable backsplash, and built-in safety features make it an ideal choice for high-impact kitchen renovations and serious culinary enthusiasts. Inspect live pricing, current promotional offers, and full specifications via the product tag on screen or the link in the description. Upgrading to a versatile, low-maintenance appliance is a proven strategy to streamline daily household efficiency and protect your home's long-term resale value. If you want high-capacity cooking power paired with hassle-free maintenance, the GE 30-inch stainless steel gas range with easy wash tray is a high-yield investment for modern kitchens. Engineered for heavy-duty meal prep, this range features a 5-burner cooktop with continuous edge-to-edge grates, powered by a high-output 15,000 BTU power boil burner and an integrated center oval burner for griddles. Mechanically, the spacious 5.3 cubic foot convection oven delivers fast, even heat distribution, while the industry-exclusive Easy Wash enamel oven tray can be removed and washed right in your sink for effortless cleanup. It offers a seamless blend of reliable American engineering, flexible culinary capacity, and low-effort maintenance for busy families and home renovators alike. You can inspect full product specifications and active discounts through the tagged link on your screen or in the description box below. Maximizing floor plan efficiency without sacrificing cooking power is essential for high-value apartment builds, guest houses, and compact kitchen renovations. If you need commercial-grade cooking utility designed specifically for space-constrained layouts, the Frigidaire 24-inch freestanding stainless steel gas range is a top-tier asset for small footprint properties. Constructed with a sleek stainless steel exterior and heavy-duty continuous corner-to-corner grates, this compact unit features a 4-burner sealed cooktop capable of handling multi-pot meal preparation with ease. Mechanically, its 1.9 cubic foot oven cavity integrates a powerful broil element and store more storage drawer underneath for maximum organizational utility. It delivers the ideal combination of space-saving dimensions, reliable gas output, and durable engineering for property managers, condo owners, and space-conscious renovators. Check out live pricing and current stock availability using the tagged product link on your screen or down in the video description. Achieving a seamless, built-in aesthetic without incurring heavy custom cabinetry expenses is one of the smartest ways to elevate your kitchen's overall visual equity. If you want a sleek, modern layout backed by reliable American craftsmanship, the Whirlpool 30-inch stainless steel gas slide-in range is an exceptional high-yield appliance upgrade. Engineered with low-profile, edge-to-edge cast iron grates, this range allows you to slide heavy cookware smoothly across burners without lifting. Mechanically, the 5-burner cooktop delivers versatile cooking zones, including a high-heat speed heat burner for fast searing and an integrated center oval burner for griddle prep, while the spacious oven cavity features easy to-lift, hinged grates that tilt up effortlessly for fast, hassle-free cleanup. It provides the perfect balance of premium slide-in styling, practical daily convenience, and long-term durability for modern homeowners and kitchen remodelers. Click the product link directly in the video description or tap the tagged product box on your screen to inspect active pricing and availability. Installing precision German engineering into your kitchen is a definitive way to maximize both high-end culinary performance and your home's premium property valuation. If you want a luxury, flush-fit aesthetic combined with industrial-grade reliability, the Bosch 800 Series 30-inch stainless steel slide-in gas range is a top-tier asset for upscale home design. Engineered with a heavy-duty 5-burner cooktop, this model features an ultra-powerful 18,000 BTU center burner alongside full-width cast-iron grates for continuous, smooth pan movement. Mechanically, its 4.8 cubic foot oven cavity utilizes genuine German convection to deliver precise, multi-rack heat circulation, complemented by heavy-duty metal control knobs and a quiet closed-door hinge. It represents the pinnacle of sleek German engineering, minimal maintenance, and long-term resale equity for high-end kitchen remodels. You can check out live pricing, stock availability, and full specs via the tagged product link on your screen or down in the description box below. Upgrading your kitchen with a high-performance gas range is one of the most effective investments you can make to increase your daily efficiency and boost your home's long-term resale value. Whether you prioritized heavy-duty BTU output, precise convection baking, modern smart tech, or a sleek slide-in design, each model on this list brings distinct engineering advantages to your culinary workspace.